Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shanghai Inu token. Ticker symbol is Shang. This token just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap just today, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the Shanghai Inu token, like I said, just got listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap just today. Right now it's up 18.12%, doing pretty well today. Their official webpage is shanghaiinu.io. You can find that listed on CoinMarketCap along with a full white paper. Their block explorer, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, price chart, and contract address. So this is an Ethereum token, so you can find their Etherscan on here. So far they only have 192 holders. Very brand new project. Like I said, it just got listed. And 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here. Looks like that's a million billion. 1 quadrillion tokens. Their Twitter at Shanghai Inu has 6,684 followers. So they're doing pretty well because they just joined in April 2023. It says Shanghai Inu is a futuristic cyborg hybrid dog with utilities like artificial intelligence services, liquid staking, NFTs, play to earn, and much more. They only have 21 tweets so far talking about how they just got listed on CoinMarketCap. But then also they are being listed on a central exchange called Cointiger. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Cointiger account, all you'd have to do is download Cointiger from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Shang, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So they should have a Cointiger listing date here on their web page. Let's see here. It says April 18th. Looks like April 18th, 10 o'clock. So it's already listed on there. So you could find this token listed on Cointiger already. That was 2 days ago. So it says 50% of the supply goes to initial liquidity, 25% has already been burned forever, and 25% sent to Vitalik Buterin, of course. So they have the Etherscan showing the transaction that it was sent to Vitalik Buterin, so that's hilarious. All right, and then what else we got here? So we got a full audit here. Check out the audit that they passed. It says by Solidity Finance. You could find that audit on their Twitter. They linked it there. So I don't know if their white paper is working here. I'm trying to pull it up. It seems to be blank. Yeah, it doesn't look like right now their white paper is working. All that popped up was a little picture. So maybe there's a different way, though, you can get to the white paper that works, but it doesn't seem to work on when you just click white paper on CoinMarketCap. So another way to get this token, it is available on Uniswap since it's an Ethereum token. So all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Shanghai Inu token using the contract address that you can find on CoinMarketCap, their webpage, white paper, Etherscan. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics here, but we'll try to find that in 1 second. So it does say documents on their webpage here. Maybe you can open that up. Let me click on that. Yeah, it doesn't look like their documents work yet, their white paper. I clicked on documents, nothing happens. They also have tokenomics, staking, chart. You can find a chart, DEX tools chart, buy now button, all that type of stuff's on their webpage. So Ethereum Shanghai upgrade is one of the biggest and most anticipated blockchain developments in crypto history. The futuristic cyborg hybrid dog Shang will benefit immensely from this, become part of a unique meme token project designed to impress with its awesome utilities like liquid ETH staking, AI implementation, many other things. Artificial intelligence will play a tremendous role in the future, and Shanghai Inu will provide the first-in-class services in the field in this time. As a 100% community-based project, it is our vision that Shang will get the full attention in the crypto space and will fall into the hands of many investors with its eye-catching name and design. So tokenomics, it says no ownership, 0% tax on buys and sells, so you most likely will not have to change your slippage at all if you're going to buy or sell this token from Uniswap. Liquidity locked forever, entire supply in circulation, completely safe, extremely bullish, it says. So their roadmap is on here. So phase 1 is development and creation, then the staking pools, then the fair launch, first central exchange listing, which is Cointiger, coin market cap listing, CoinGecko listing. So that's kind of where we're at right now. Then they're going to have marketing campaigns coming out next. Phase 2 of the roadmap is going to be airdrops, social media advertising, promotions, their own NFT collection, play to earn game, more central exchange listings, special and targeted marketing. Phase 3 is going to be mobile applications, dApps, Shanghai DAO, where you're going to have voting rights basically. And then the artificial intelligence services will come out. Tier 1 central exchange listings, various programming products, and many more things. So again, they have documents pop up. Let's see if this works here. They have a liquid staking section. They have lots of socials. They have a TikTok, Facebook, Discord, Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, contact email, all at the bottom of their webpage. But yeah, let me see. Okay, their white paper. Okay, so you can get their white paper to work. Probably similar information as of their webpage, maybe just a tiny bit more. But yeah, if you scroll down, if you click documents at the top of their webpage, nothing happens. But if you scroll all the way down to where it says documents, they have read more. If you click on read more by their audit, that'll take you to their audit, or read more by their white paper, that'll take you to their white paper. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Shanghai Inu? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.